बिकॉज ऑफ एग्ज़ाम्स, डिप्रेशन में हैं एंड मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं है। स्टूडेंट्स ने बताया मुझे लाइव कैसे जाना है, तो मैंने कोशिश की आज लाइव जाने की, और बहुत से बच्चों ने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि उनको एड्रेस किया जाए और उनकी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व किया जाए। बहुत से बच्चे सुसाइड कमिट कर रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से मैं और इवन अलग सर बहुत परेशान हैं, और हम लोग ये नहीं चाहते कि कोई भी बच्चे, इंडिया का एक भी स्टूडेंट जो है वो इस तरह का स्टेप ना ले। दिस इज़ वेरी एक्सट्रीम एंड रॉन्ग स्टेप जो हम लोग कहेंगे कि बच्चे ले रहे हैं। यू नो दैट यू ऑल आर डिप्रेस बैडली, वेदा एंड जो भी बच्चे लिख रहे हैं। आई एम सॉरी, मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं है ये कैसे यूज़ होता है। आई एम रीडिंग ऑल योर कमेंट्स। पोस्टपोन जी, पोस्टपोन नीट, इज देयर एनी चांस ऑफ पोस्टपोन ऑफ नीट एंड जी? देखिए, एज फार एज पोस्टपोनमेंट ऑफ नीट एंड जे इज कंसर्न, many people are now following up with PMO, HRD. We are requesting, we are appealing to all the authorities. हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी गए हैं, हर जगह हमने कोशिश की है, वहाँ से सुप्रीम कोर्ट से कुछ रिलीफ नहीं मिला, तो फिर हम वापस फिर से हमने PMO को लिखा है। तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डायरेक्शन दिया है, गवर्नमेंट से पूछा है कि आप अगर कंडक्ट करा सकते हैं एग्ज़ाम तो कराएं। जेई और नीट के अलावा यूजीसी के जो बच्चे हैं, जो फाइनल ईयर के बच्चे हैं, उनकी भी बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है जो हम लोग सभी बच्चे फेस कर रहे हैं। डिग्री उनको नहीं मिल रही है, दे हैव अप्लाइड फॉर जॉब उनकी जो है, बहुत से बच्चों को प्लेसमेंट मिल चुका है, बट दे कुड नॉट गेट अ जॉब, प्रॉपर जॉब, बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव एनी डिग्री, जो कि बहुत बड़ी एक प्रॉब्लम है। जेई और नीट भी बहुत बड़ा इशू है, नो डाउट, बट यहाँ पे मैं यही बच्चों को बोलना चाहूँगी, जितने भी हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, स्पेशली जेई और नीट के बच्चे जो हैं, दे आर ऑफ यंगर एज। फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट जो हैं वो थोड़े समझदार हैं, बड़े हैं, बट जो जेई और नीट के जो इंसिडेंट हो रहे हैं, बच्चे हैं, स्टूडेंट्स, दे आर कमिटिंग सुसाइड, इट इज़ नॉट गुड। मैं अपील करूँगी सभी बच्चों को, उनके पेरेंट्स को, कि हाँ, कंपार्टमेंट एग्ज़ाम का भी जो है मैटर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में है, कुछ बच्चे गए हैं। यूजीसी के 3 लाख स्टूडेंट्स हियरिंग मोर देन 3 आवर्स। देखिए, एज फार एज यूजीसी मैटर इज कंसर्न, आप यूजीसी और नीट एंड जेई को कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते, दोनों मैटर अलग हैं। यूजीसी में बहुत बड़ा इशू इन्वॉल्व है, वो ये है कि बच्चों को इवेल्युएट किया जाए, उनकी डिग्री दी जाए, और बहुत से स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने ऑलरेडी वो कैंसिल कर दिया है एग्ज़ाम, इसलिए वो मैटर को आप अपने जेई नीट से ना कंसिडर वो करें। जेई नीट इज़ टोटली डिफरेंट केस ऑल टुगेदर, जहाँ पे कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये कहा कि एग्ज़ाम होने चाहिए, उनका यही मानना है। इवन यूजीसी के लिए भी उन्होंने कोई स्टे नहीं दिया है, तो मैं सभी बच्चों को बताना चाहूँगी, यूजीसी मैटर में भी एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए कोई स्टे अभी तक नहीं मिला है, और बच्चे एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हैं। हालांकि वहाँ पे ऑफलाइन एग्ज़ाम्स कम हैं, बट ये ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम का उनको परमिशन मिली है। एज़ फार एज जेई इज़ कंसर्न, यहाँ पे और नीट, इसमें बच्चों को पर्सनली जाके एग्ज़ाम देना है, इसलिए बच्चे डर रहे हैं। हमने सभी अथॉरिटीज़ को भी बोला है। आई एम नीट जेई पोस्टपोन फर्स्ट ओपन पार्लियामेंट। यस, ये तो मैं भी लिखती रहती हूँ कि पार्लियामेंट पहले ओपन करें, गवर्नमेंट जो है, उसके बाद बच्चों के बारे में सोचे। बच्चे घर में ही सुरक्षित हैं। अगर ये एग्ज़ाम लिया जाएगा तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक तरह से एक्सप्लोजन हो जाएगा हमारी कंट्री में, जो हम लोग मानते हैं। और आज WHO का भी हमने स्टेटमेंट देखा है, जहाँ यूथ जो भी है इसके कांटेक्ट में आ रहे हैं। स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, ओके, right. Madam, is there any meeting? No, there is no such meeting which is going on for NEET and JEE, but yes, they are discussing on the same. Ramesh sir will clarify. Students, I will request each and every student, JEE and NEET student, UGC and other final year students also, to focus on your studies, because these decisions are going to be taken by the higher authorities. Now UGC matter is in Supreme Court. As far as JEE is concerned, that matter has been disposed of. and they have the view of the Supreme Court is that the examination should be conducted, but the government has to take a call whether they are in a position to conduct the exams or not. CA exam postponed for November, yes, we got it done from Supreme Court as far as CA exams are concerned, but now Supreme Court and other high courts also are not in favor of postponement. And is there any hope? See, hope, we should always keep a hope, but I would suggest that each and every student should focus on studies now. And if you are able to go and appear for exam, in case cancellation and postpone will not happen, then you take a call. You have to decide, children have to decide, students have to take a call, parents have to take a call whether life is more important or going to exam is more important. So as far as my view is concerned, I will never allow my child to appear for any exam whatsoever, because right now we have to save ourselves. We know how SOPs have been followed recently in the exams which were conducted in Karnataka, and today COMEDK exam was conducted across India, and we know how the examinations were conducted, and very few students actually went and appeared for the exam. So मैम वन वर्ड में आंसर करिए, पोस्टपोन हो सकता है या नहीं? पोस्टपोनमेंट का इट्स नॉट इन आवर हैंड. वी आर ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट. इट मे हैपन, इट मे नॉट. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल दी स्टूडेंट्स टू focus on your studies and don't take any extreme step in case postponement will not be allowed. If you are in a position to go and appear for exam, I would request you all to go. Otherwise, my suggestion would be to first take care of your health, then everything else comes in place. As far as pandemic is concerned, it's a temporary thing. It will, I think we will come out of pandemic in few months. I am ready to give exam but can't concentrate on revision. See, if you are not able to focus on studies, then no point. I would request each and everyone to focus on studies. I know it is a very difficult time, and I've been in your position. I don't think I would have been able to appear for exam. And even we are not able to focus on our matters and cases which we are taking up daily, because so many students are worried. Many are committing suicide, which is not a good thing. I am very much worried. Alex sir is very much worried about the suicide which is happening, and we are so much concerned about students. What should we do? So many students are sending me message, and so today I have come live for all these students who are under stress. See, life, I would say ki man can't concentrate on studies. Yes, I can understand 90%. Yes, they are unable to open theatres and gym. You're right. No, media channels are also covering it now. Many media people, our health, mental health is disturbed. I can understand. No, parents will not allow, then I think you should follow what your parents will tell you. You being a parent, you just take, if you would have been in your father or mother's position, if they will not allow, then you should think of their second drop. No, let it be. Even if it is second drop, then if you are not able to appear for exam, don't stress yourself. There is always a chance. One exam cannot decide your future. That's what I am telling you. One exam cannot decide the future of anyone. ICI is in RA. I cannot read comment. How will I go? Ramesh Pokhriyal sir will respond. I don't know why he is not responding. Even I have requested some politicians today that go and talk to Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal and let him come forward and say whether exams are going to be conducted or not. If yes, then the students will take a call accordingly. There is so much of confusion and uncertainty. So maybe by Friday they are saying, I don't know if it is true, but even suicide, don't make them respond. It is a foolish decision, no doubt. Tamil Nadu CM, yeah, please try to contact. I don't have the contact details and number. CBSE compartment issue is in Supreme Court, so until any decision comes, I cannot comment. Arrange exam for those, yes. We have written to PMO. Alak sir has written to PMO and HRD also that please conduct a special exam for those who will not be in a position to appear at a later stage, like they have done for UG and PG student, so that these students, yeah, Chirag Paswan is supporting us, I know. PMO, I don't know whether he will respond or not. So I was talking about the response from HRD and whether whether they will be giving another opportunity for students to appear for exam. So we have written to them, and maybe after 3-4 days we may approach Supreme Court again, requesting the Honorable Supreme Court to give another chance to these students who want to appear for exam and who will not be in a position to. BHU entrance postponed. No, there was no meeting. These are rumor. Rahul Gandhi ji is supporting, but their state governments are not supporting. That is the main problem. I had a word with the Punjab CMO office. They are not supporting. They are saying postponement we cannot help. JEE and NEET. CM. Media house, yeah, please tag. Contact West Bengal CMO also, we are trying. Some students are also trying. ICAI is in a position to conduct exam in November. See, ICAI will inform, I think they have already said that whether we will be in a position to conduct exam or not, we will let you know by end of October. Because what will be the condition during that time, that ICAI will decide. Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, yes, will contact. Supreme Court decision regarding what? Telangana. I am not able to read comments. Yeah, Telangana we will contact. We have Hyderabad School Parent Association. I will talk to HSPA tomorrow. So they will contact Telangana CM. Corona positive HR. I know many students are corona positive. Yeah, students are approaching. More than me, students are making effort. They are approaching WHO and all the authorities. AIMS director, I know. Hemant Soren sir will help. Okay, we will contact him also. Whosoever is, today I think Chirag Paswan is also. Maharashtra government is not helping. They are conducting exam. Delhi CM, yes. I had a word with the Education Minister's official and they said it is difficult, but please send a letter, so we will do that. Goswami, who is Goswami? I don't know. Kejriwal sir may help. APCMO Jagan Mohan sir will help us. Okay, we will contact him also. Yes, I know NET is conducted by NTA and it has been postponed. Right. So I have read all your queries, and now my appeal to all the students. I keep appealing to authorities, ministers, PMO, HRD, but my humble appeal to all the students across India that please don't take any such step which some students have taken. They have committed suicide. This is not a time. You have a long way to go. I don't know why students are committing suicide. My appeal to all the students, if anyone is facing any kind of stress, please message me. You message 31 petitioners or you can message 11 petitioners also. They will pass on the message if you don't have my contact number. Because there are many messages which get unnoticed by me. There are several thousands of messages which I receive. So if anyone is not in a position to contact me, please get in touch with 31 petitioners and 11 petitioners. If you are going through any kind of mental stress, we will give you counseling. Please, no student should take any step, and you all have to promise me. We are working hard for all the students, community, and I think it is my humble appeal. It is my humble appeal, and on Alakh sir's behalf also I am appealing to all the students that please don't take any extreme steps which some students are taking. If any child or any student is under depression or stress, please contact us. We are trying our hard. Scroll down for comments. We are trying our best to get some relief for students, and let's hope. I cannot assure, but government is going to take some call. I don't know whether it will be in your favor or not. So keep studying. If you want to appear for exam, keep studying. If you don't want to appear for exam, then you can wait till the normalcy is restored and again appear for exam in next year. And hardly after, I think now we are in August. The next exam will be conducted in the month of March or April if the government will not postpone. And there is a lot of pressure which I got to know. There is a lot of pressure from colleges, institutions, coaching mafias, coaching institutions, because they have to admit students. Many colleges are putting pressure on government, that we are aware. And all these medical colleges, engineering colleges, they need students now. So they are putting pressure on government also. That is very much evident. So we are trying our hard, we are trying our best that students should get some relief. If exams are not postponed, then we will be moving to Supreme Court. We have already requested PMO to give some relief to those students who will be left out, who will not be in a position to appear for exam as due to this COVID and other reason. Let's see if we get any positive response. We will keep updating about the same. And my message to all the students is that please don't take any extreme step. If you are depressed, talk to someone, talk to your friend, talk to anyone. We don't want that even a single student should take any such step. You all are future of our country. We are not going to live for a long time. You have to live and support your country. So students, you all are future of our country, and you have to come out of this mental stress, trauma, whatever depression you are going through, because there's a long way to go. This pandemic is temporary, and not only students, there are many parents who are facing problem. They are calling me and they don't have money to survive. There are many parents who don't have money to survive. They're not in a position to pay school fees. So a lot of problems we all are facing during this pandemic, and I request all these students to please focus on your studies, and my best wishes. In case if you feel depressed, you are free to call me or send me message anytime. I am there to help you all. That's all from my side, students, and again I will come back. And my grandmother also affected to corona, madam. I know many, even in my society also, in my building, many are COVID positive. Replace respect. Chances of postponement, I will say 0. But our whatever we are trying is, we are giving our 100%. Let's see if anything happens, we will update. Mention so many students have last attempt. Okay. If skip can up, okay. We will mention that. Don't say all this. Goli maro and all. What is the next step? Next step for postponement, we have already written to government, and we are waiting for their response. Otherwise, we will be filing a review petition, or maybe we will file another petition. And if postponement will not be given, then maybe we can request for another attempt for which the students can appear. Entire family is affected, I know. Zero hope. Can you contact Maharashtra government also? We had a word. Maharashtra government is going ahead with exams. Even state level exams they are doing. UGC, any hope? UGC, see, let me clarify also about UGC matter. What has happened yesterday in UGC matter is that Supreme Court has given its opinion that UGC, that state cannot award degrees, and Supreme Court was very much correct that state has no right to award degrees and mark sheet to students, and even universities have no right. It's the UGC, they have to award the degrees, but as far as conducting exam is concerned, that has been left to the university. They have to take a call whether they want to conduct it online, offline or blended mode. And as far as state government is concerned, Supreme Court was of the view that yes, you can postpone the exam, but you cannot cancel any exam. It's a pan-India exam. You have no right to cancel any exam. So I think exam will happen for UG, PG also, but again we have given some suggestion to High Court, Honorable High Court. Let's see what happens. And what the suggestion which we have given is to evaluate these students based on their past performance and existing marks also, so that they can apply for further studies and all, and also apply for job. So, but state autonomy has been rejected by Honorable Supreme Court with regards to granting degrees as well as for cancellation of exam. State has no right. State can only postpone the exam depending upon the situation in their particular, what Assam government told. NEET exemption for MBBS. UP government helpful in this regard? No, we haven't got any good response from UP government. COVID students cannot appear. Gujarat government is conducting exam. They are going ahead with exam. Ashok Gehlot sir, Rajasthan government we will approach. Jagan sir, I don't know who is Jagan sir. None of the government. Now for JEE and NEET, even state government and central government both are not in favor of postponement. Reason being, I think most of the colleges are run by political parties and politicians. So if you can see, neither state government nor central government are in favor of postponement, because most of the college belongs to all these politicians. So I doubt they will help. APCM we will contact. Tamil Nadu government, no, I have APCM, okay. APCM, Tamil Nadu we will contact. Kerala, they are going ahead. Kerala is going ahead with exam. राहुल गांधी, ये राहुल गांधी ऑल्सो हम अप्रोच करेंगे, ममता मैडम को अप्रोच करेंगे. बिहार में yes, we have got some response from Chirag Paswan ji from Bihar. Today he commented and he is going to discuss with MHRD. So let's see what, let's hope for the best. Chirag Paswan ji is going to have a word with MHRD, I think maybe today or tomorrow. So he will be updating. Haryana government will cancel? No, Haryana government will not cancel. Telangana, I will contact Telangana. I told you that Hyderabad School Parent Association, HSPA is there, and I will talk to HSPA members so that they can have a word with Telangana. Chhattisgarh CM, okay. Chhattisgarh also we will discuss. Today Ravi Tiwari sir, I had a word with Mr. Ravi Tiwari, and Ravi Tiwari ji told me that he went to HRD office, but he is also saying that chances are 50-50. He has also uploaded a video on YouTube, and he is also saying that you all focus on your studies. We cannot assure that whether postponement will happen or not, but yes, he is also trying. I have also requested him to approach other ministers also in his government. MP government will not. MP government will conduct exam. Karnataka. See, we have requested that till the flood situation and transport is restored, this exam should be postponed. because many students in Assam, Northeast, West Bengal, Bihar, flood affected areas, they are not in a position to even step out of their house. So this is our request that the exam should be postponed till the transport issue is resolved, until flood. I think in a month or two we will get the transport and flood related issues will be resolved by that time, in a month or two. So maybe government should take a call. College under Delhi University not following. Abroad universities, matter is in Supreme Court actually for NEET and JEE. Yes, flood in Assam. चौकीदार कहाँ है? State. T.S. Singhdev. Okay. Regarding T.S. Singhdev, yeah, I can connect with T.S. Singhdev. I am fighting a case against his school in Raipur, in Bilaspur High Court. So I will connect with T.S. Singhdev. Arnab Goswami has no time for students. Why HRD is silent? Because there is pressure from college. That's what I think. All the institutions. Admit card is provisional. See, as far as the provisional admit card is concerned, I asked few students, and they told me even last year provisional admit cards were released. So don't think that provisional admit card means that the exams will not be conducted. They may conduct exam, and this admit card will be your final admit card. Ashok Gehlot sir. Okay. TS is from my place. We know his power. Okay, I'll contact TS Singhdev. Let me try. I am in stress. Who is under stress? NEET. Please don't be. As far as stress is concerned, practice pranayam, listen to some music, play some games, and don't think about pandemic. Stress should not be in your mind. Remove stress word from your dictionary. Stress, suicide, depression, all these things should be removed from your dictionary. Don't see, we are Indians, we are very strong from inside. So you all Indians need to be very strong and don't get depressed. Depression is the worst thing. I know students are committing suicide. That's why I have come today to appeal to all the students. Whosoever is under depression, under mental stress, please, my humble request, but don't get depressed. One examination cannot decide your future. You have a long way to go. If you are not able to appear for exam now, you have all the chance to appear for the exams next year, or whenever the situation is under control. You can always appear for exam. So don't think that one exam or your marks is going to decide your future. Now I am ashamed that I am in India. See, Indians have to change the country. Youth, I know that now youth, they are very much concerned about the development of our country. Today's youth is far better than what during our time. So youth, I am 101% sure that youth will change this country. Politicians will never change. Since 70 years we know what all is happening. Hindu, Muslim, Mandir, Masjid, all these things are happening. Now we have to demand reform in education, reform in fee circular. I have been going through the fee structure of many colleges. Schools I have been fighting since 5 years, but colleges ka fees I got to know that 16 lakhs per annum or 16 to 17 lakhs per annum is the fees of some colleges in India. It was horrifying. The figures are horrifying. So next fight which we have to do is for reduction in fees, regulation of fees for schools and colleges, which the government has to address. How many chance for postponement? Chance I don't know. Yeah, I also miss Abdul Kalam sir. I miss. Something say about West Bengal. See, West Bengal में also Mamata Banerjee, we can, if anyone knows Mamata Banerjee, please approach her. I will also try to contact Mamata madam. Because if some states will not support, then I think exams can be postponed. And it's a genuine concern. Like states like Bihar CM, why he is not coming forward and supporting the students of Bihar? Why he is going ahead with exams in Bihar? Recently, Bihar CM has cancelled some state level exam. Then how come he is allowing NEET and JEE exams in Bihar? So I request Bihar CM also to come forward and have a word with PMO and HRD to cancel JEE and NEET exam and final year exams also. Sorry, final year exam cannot be cancelled by any state government as per Supreme Court view yesterday. But yes, they can postpone it. So definitely state government has all the right to postpone the exams. I will request each and every student to approach your state authorities, your state government, and request them for postponement of exam. UGPG exam students, they don't want postponement. But yes, as far as NEET JEE is concerned, it can be postponed by the state government. Government is noticing, no doubt. GC matter, we have requested, but they have not given stay for conducting exams. So I don't think any stay will come or any decision will come for cancellation of exam. Yes, they may say that exams can be postponed. That can be done. Bihar government, yes, Bihar government can always come forward. Nitish ji can come forward and other ministers can come forward and request PMO and HRD also. Uddhav Thackeray sir is busy, and I had a word with their team members, and they are going ahead with exams. Even state level exams Maharashtra government is conducting. Yes, Maharashtra government can postpone JEE NEET exam. JEE NEET Assam, Bhupesh Baghel, okay, we will contact. Chances of state autonomy zero. Already yesterday Supreme Court has clarified that as far as state autonomy is concerned, state has no right to award degree or to give certificate or mark sheet to any student. Even university has no right. It's the UGC which will give the degree and all. State government cannot, and it's a valid argument. And as far as state autonomy is concerned, Supreme Court is of the opinion that state can only postpone the exam. State government cannot cancel exam or state government cannot award degrees. So state autonomy point has been clarified yesterday only by Honorable Supreme Court. Uddhav Samant, yeah, please contact. I also tried to contact his Uday Samant's PA, but he is not taking my call. So please try to contact Uday Samant. He is a very good person. Uday Samant is a very nice human being, and he may help. CM of different states are allowing JEE NEET exams because most of the, what I feel, this is my view, that most of the colleges are being run by politicians. So they want the admission should be conducted, admission should start immediately. Karnataka government will not help, I don't think. Maharashtra on JEE NEET. Maharashtra government is going ahead with JEE NEET. Today COMEDK exams were also conducted in Maharashtra. Yogi Adityanath will not help, I don't think. Uday Samant may help. Students should contact. Delhi government, I had a word with education minister's team, and they were also of the opinion that it's difficult to cancel exam, JEE NEET exam, but still you all write to Mr. Kejriwal and also write a mail and letter to Manish Sisodia ji. So they said ki let students write a letter. So you all approach Manish Sisodia ji for postponement of exam in Delhi. Final year. Delhi government may help, yes. Amrinder Singh, no, Punjab government, they are not helping. They are saying that they are going ahead with JEE NEET exam. Finally, a degree from Uddhav Thackeray. I will again contact him. Neeta Ambani, I don't have her contact number. Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, JK, Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand government, Rahul Gandhi. Chirag Paswan is helping students. I have read his post today, so let's see. Let's wait for Chirag Paswan's tweet. He may update us by tomorrow. Let's see. We'll keep messaging him. From Maharashtra, no one is helping. Naveen Patnaik may help. Yuva Sena also. Yuva Sena themselves are going ahead with state level exam. They are in support of state level exam. How many states are helping us? Till now, none of the states are helping. We are just trying. Only Chirag Paswan has come forward for help. Ashok Gehlot. लॉ करने में स्कोप है. सी आप लोग ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछिए, बिकॉज देखिए स्ट्रेसफुल एनवायरनमेंट में बच्चे हैं एंड वी वांट दैट द स्टूडेंट शुड कम आउट ऑफ स्ट्रेस. तो हैव अ हेल्थी डिस्कशन. स्ट्रेस में since 2 months we all are discussing about postponement and we are trying our best, but at the same time students are committing suicide, which is it is very horrifying experience. I am more worried about the students who are committing suicide than postponement. So please, my humble request to all the students to not take any such step. So if any student has any problem, please contact. Exam, please postpone. No, I know students have started committing suicide. It's really terrible. That should not happen. Why they are doing it? See, one exam cannot decide your future. ICI November. ICI, they have already postponed till November and December. Raj Thackeray. Okay. MNS you are saying. Okay, we will contact Raj Thackeray. What option is left? Aditya Thackeray, I had a word with the CM, their ministry. What should we do? You all focus on your study. If you are under stress, then please practice pranayam, yoga, get out of stress. Ravi Tiwari's info on YouTube, correct? I have not seen his YouTube video, but I had a word with Mr. Ravi Tiwari today. And we had a long discussion and he was very much concerned. Ravi Tiwari ji told me that he is going to discuss with other ministers also. I have requested him to have a word with other ministers in BJP. So Ravi Tiwari ji is going to have a discussion, but he also said that chances are 50-50. So a student should better focus on their studies if they want to appear for exam. Everybody is trying. See, now Chirag sir has come forward. All the media and news channel has come forward. So it is a serious concern. I ate Poki uncle. We should respect all the ministers and authorities. We should not say all these words. Finally, exam news. Criminal law in India. Andhra Pradesh CM, we will try. I will contact HSPA tomorrow for Telangana CM. Final exam judgment कब आएगा madam? Final year judgment has been reserved and we have been given 3 days to submit a small note. So students are suggesting what all we should. Raj Thackeray को contact करेंगे. तो final year का जो judgment है next week I think it will come. Uttarakhand CM. Mass bunking of the exam is the only result. Yes. KCR को okay, we will contact. NEET Tejasvi Surya, he is not supporting, I don't think. Okay, Tamil Nadu CM we will contact. Sudhir Chaudhary, he has all. Shailaja, Health Minister of Kerala. Arnab Goswami is busy with Sushant Singh matter. He is busy. But still, we will try to contact Arnab Goswami. Let's see. If he takes up this issue, then I think he can turn the table. But right now, Arnab ji is focusing more on Sushant Singh. That is also a very serious matter. I am not saying that Sushant matter is not serious. It is a serious concern, but even students' life matters. So for students also, we will request him to do a show. But many news channels are now raising voice and conducting many shows. So you all are getting support from media, but still we could not get what we want. So students, yes, I cannot see. So from my end, students, if you want to say anything, I'll be now exiting from this live session. And my humble appeal again, why I have come today, to all the students across India, be it 10th or 12th, or because 12th results are also out, 10th, 12th, JEE, NEET students, other students, final year students, intermediate, and all the students, please don't take extreme steps. And if you are under depression, you're having any kind of anxiety, please contact your friends or your near and dear ones, and you can always contact me if you are under depression or you are feeling low at any point of time. You all are the future of our country, so you have to be very strong and bold enough to face this problem which we are going through. So best wishes from my side, and I will now exit, and I will try to come live again whenever I get some time. I will definitely come live and interact with students. Thank you.